Is this the best phone mount for a Jeep for off-roading? We'll find out. That's next. Hey guys, welcome to Backcountry Renegade. I'm Jeff. Today we are looking at the Bulletproof universal phone mount. This is great for Jeeps and great for anyone who likes to go off-roading but wants a nice, dependable, sturdy phone mount to where their phone's not flying all over the place when they hit bumps and rocks in the road. This is a great option. Let's take a look at it. Bulletproof Mounting Solutions is a solid option for mounting your phone in rugged vehicles. Bulletproof features the phone mounts for particularly Jeep Wranglers. Now, I really love their concept, and you can see they have a lot of setups for the Jeep Wrangler that you can get that holds a phone mount or a GoPro. Now, I really wanted one of these, but they don't make one for the Jeep Liberty. So what I did is I went and got the universal mount. And with the universal mount, it comes with a single ball that you can mount anywhere that there is a clean surface. So I decided, let's get that and let's go ahead and mount that to my Jeep Liberty in an area where I have a clean surface and I can mount my phone. We're gonna do an unboxing real quick and then an install and then test it out on the roads. All right, so let's open this thing. Comes in a nice box here, pretty sturdy. Open it up here and we have a nice Bulletproof sticker, a warranty card, and then a nice thank you with some installation instructions. Nice foam padding as you open it up, and as we dive in, comes with a Phillips screwdriver along with some mounting screws. We also have the carbon fiber arm, feels pretty stout, along with a drill bit. We then see the single ball mount, and so here we have the single ball mount with the mounting base. That will connect with the arm there. We also have some additional screws for the ball mount base. And then we have the phone mount, really nice and sturdy with the Bulletproof Mounting Solutions logo. And this arm will just open like that and hold it. Feels really, really durable. And then we also have a cool little souvenir. It's a bulletproof bullet, but at the end of it, there is a nice bottle opener. So very cool, nice little touch to it. All right, let's install this thing. The first thing I do is find a nice smooth surface, and it happens to be on my dash cluster. I then take the base, bring it on the back, and mark where I'm going to be drilling by having a marker and putting it on each hole that I'll be drilling into. From here, I drill and get ready to mount it by using the drill bit that is provided. I mount it, screw it in, and from the outside it's nice and flush, but it has a nice sturdy base behind it. So here's what it looks like after installation. The Bulletproof logo here, which is padded, a nice stout universal mount which expands really nicely. The ball mount here is nice and flush into the dash now that it is drilled in from behind. You have the nice carbon fiber arm as well. Now, another thing I purchased is this down here. I purchased a little bit smaller arm, another universal ball mount here, and then I got this mount here for my ham radio. And this is from Jeep Unique. Now, if you go on the website, Jeep Unique, They make some mounts here that go well with the Bulletproof mount, and this would hold my ham. I don't have the radio in it right now, but that one is a dual mount there, and you can see that works nicely. So my two setups. The phone basically sets up like this. Having it here on a more dirt road. A little bit of vibration, but not bad. Very sturdy. So looking here, we can see a little bit of vibration, which is mainly from the car. So the nice thing is, if you're going on off-roads and rock crawling, your phone's not going to be falling all over the place. It's not going to be flying all over the car because it's nice and secure. Well, it might vibrate a little bit. This is probably the most secure phone mount you're going to find out there. So now I love the Bulletproof phone mount. It's very dependable. You can rotate this ball joint in any direction you want to get optimal direction. It's very similar to what we see with the 67 design mount, but a lot cheaper price. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this. This is going in my Jeep. What about you? What did you think of the Bulletproof phone mount? Is this something you would put in your Jeep? What else would you use if not? Leave me a comment in the comment section. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more gear reviews like this. And as always, thanks for watching.